Alright, welcome to 4.6 Savage, guys, and today we're going to talk about installing 4.6 SN95 headlights. Now, a lot of you have gotten a lot of comments, don't know how to install these headlights. And first off, I'm going to show you. The first thing you're going to do is disconnect the old headlight bulbs, which I'll do now. Okay. Headlight bulb disconnected, and disconnect this one. Disconnect those headlight bulbs. Alright, and that pulls out your bulbs. Now over here you'll see you'll have bolts. You'll unscrew these. I already pre-loosened everything, got it ready. And your side markers will just pull right out. And then you will just twist out the bulb and remove the side marker. Okay? Old side marker to the new side marker. These are new. These are old. Yeah, big difference. Okay? Now these housings are quite new, but we're gonna go and we're gonna tell you how to uninstall these. So there's one that you'd push out here. You just push out and it pops out. And then there's over here, there's this little headlight clip. You know, it's a pain in the butt to get out sometimes, but basically pull up on it. Let me set you guys right here while I go get a tool. Gonna go back into here and basically gonna use the tool. Let's do it that way. I'm gonna use the tool to pry it up. So get in between there and pull up. They're very, very tight. Sometimes you gotta push the headlight in to get them out. It's just a very, very tight setup. Do that. Yeah. Now the new headlights come with new clips, but I'll save these just in case. Okay, now that all of those are out, but you'll have to depress some clips. I'll show you about those clips right about now. It's a socket that was apparently in my headlights. Each of the headlights here has these clips on the side of it. Now this one's broken off, that's why I'm replacing the headlights, but you'll have to push these clips in with a either a screwdriver or pliers, and you'll have to do that to get them out. So these are the stock GT housings. And these are the Cobra housings. They look so much better. Alright, so now we're going to grab this. We're going to remove the clip from it for installation. Basically just take this little clip off. Clips in a little bag that takes to the back of the thing. So just tape off and that. Okay. There's the clip. See, it's just a little clip you slide over. And then we're gonna go and we're going to pick up the headlight. And we're going to make sure everything fits in the slots it's supposed to. So we're gonna lock that one in sideways. We're gonna lock this one in sideways. Okay, and then what we're gonna do is you want to make sure they line up with the slots. Go ahead and take the plastic wrap off some so I can get it lined up. And you stick it in, and then make sure the one lines up, which it does, lines up, and then you put this one right here, and of course you got to get this one in, bottom one there, and you go there. You go make sure this one's still lined up, but you jumped out of the track. There you go this way. Let's go ahead and get this one in here. Okay, and then I'll adjust these, and those are in. We'll just pop, and they pop. Now I should have adjusted that out before I popped those in. Okay, luckily it didn't seat all the way. So what we're gonna do is screw this one all the way out, because you want it to make contact in so you can put the clip in, and then we'll adjust them from there. Okay, so they'll go up. Then side marker is reverse of how it normally goes. So you get this turned where it's supposed to be, and this in. Doesn't take long to change these headlights. It's just, for me, it's because I'm holding the phone and doing it. As you can see, turn it out. Then when you go to put it back in, now you can see your slot. So you grab your clip and you push in. Of course, I'm gonna put you all down real quick so I can push in. We'll just pull out, put it in some more, wind it all the way out. Okay. Do this side, and I'll do this side. There's that slot. Both slots. Yeah. That one's in. Alright, and then you'll take the pin and you'll get it in there, push it on in. It's just as hard to get these back in as it is to get them out, but basically just, grab it. We're going to pause right here so I can get this headlight in. So once you install it, you should see that the clip is in, and you'll have your clips down there. The one in here. Make sure they're in, and make sure they're in, and your headlight's nice and secured. Now here comes the pain part, and it's getting your hand up in here to get this harness back in. As you can see, that just clips the harness back in, because I need a new harness with a clip, but that's the way it's going to be. So now we're going to do a side marker. So, new side marker with a new, I guess it doesn't have a return clip, or not, that's okay. Honestly wish I had a nut that came with these, because my one side doesn't have a nut. And as you can see, I'll peel this tape off. Peels off just like that, and light bulb will go. Tape peels off, light bulb will go in, and you get it, the seat down. Let's see, it's a big one, and then it turns in just like that. Oh, nice. And then make sure you line everything up. Tap it in there real nice and tight. And then you take your nut and you spin your nut on. I think this nut's an 11 millimeter. Let's see. Yeah, the nut's an 11. And that is how you install your side marker. And as you can see, you should have that weather strip around where I didn't. Okay, now without aiming them, we're gonna look and see how they look. Now one's low, and one's not even on. But oh yeah, that's right, I unplugged the bulb. But one's low and one's high, but look how much brighter one is versus the other. And look at the clearance in the fascia, it looks so much cleaner than the other side does. So we'll go, turn this off, we'll look at them real quick. So, looks so much cleaner. Like, almost perfect. Alright, well that's going to be all for this video. I'm going to install the other side and I'll let you know how it went. Remember, be savage.